Yes, greetings, viewers and subscribers, haters and supporters. Raj at it again with another vlog. Yes, man. So y'all know about this big snowstorm, we're going, but so once you live in the United States of America, the bills them never stop coming. So you cannot stop at all. You have to keep going. As a Buju Banton, that's a driver. Tell you. Yes, man. But I'll be taking you on a little journey. As I'm going to work, so I'll be taking a little journey with me. So stick around. As you can see, this big snow heap. I mean, I tell a boy, taller than me, over 7 foot. That Jaja. I tell you, the snow is real. The Caribbean, we have gravel and mud and grass for chad pan. We got snow for travel and skate pan. I tell you, beautiful neighborhood. Ladies and gents, viewers, subscribers, haters, beautiful neighborhood. I'm very blessed to say that I've been put in a neighborhood where it's very nice, very peaceful, calm, people friendly, and everything. So I'm grateful for that. Very grateful because being a truck driver, a DOT driver, it is not easy to be delivering in certain areas, as all the delivery drivers can attest to this one if you're watching this vlog. And for those who live in the United States, you should know, even not even the United States but around the world, you should know. Yes, man, beautiful neighborhoods. I'm privileged and I'm blessed to say that I'm grateful for where my route is. So we had a big snowstorm, and everybody should know, man, once snowstorm come, you have to think about shoveling, back pain, heartburn, sweat, hot, whole heap of clothes, bag pan foot. Me not talk about no school bag, me not talk about scandal bag. Yes, it. Yeah, man, because you have to take all them things, man. When you go through them snow, you have to make sure so you're properly geared up, I don't know, joke thing, me I tell you. But Raj at it again. Stay tuned and watch and see what go on. Beautiful day. The sun is smiling. The skies are blue. But on the earth here, we have the chat pan. It's white. I tell you, very white. As you can see, black tar and white snow. The world have a balance, that's true. Not trying to be racist or anything, but y'all know what time it is. Yeah, man. So right here, me I tried it nice as me say you have scandal back pan foot and well geared up, because right here is about, I say 3 to 4 inches right here. Me have to trod it if you go out the front door, cause them people in a shovel, you have to be careful. And very pretty. I love the snow. Don't get me wrong, the snow is very beautiful. Snow for days, me I tell you. Snow for days, people. And I was trying to get up the hill with the truck right here, but couldn't make it, so I have to foot it. You don't know the thing already. Yes, man. When the wheels them feel upon the truck, so God almighty wheels when you can't feel, You like my snowman right here? my cousin big him up still, Yeah, man. But the snow is very beautiful, very, very beautiful. The only thing that I sorry I didn't do is to take a dive in and create that angel right there. See it? You have to enjoy yourself in for the job, because some jobbers stress you out, man. But I can say I work by myself, so I'm privileged for that. Right here, as I can say, as you see in the text before, the truck was trying to go over the hill, couldn't make it, so I had to do what I had to do. Ice, man. So when the snow on the ice and the snow get hard, hard, it's tough, and so it's slippery, so people, if you know about the thing or you don't know the thing already, not true. Yeah, man. Right here, so it's about 3 to 6 inches you're looking at right here. No joke. So you have to be careful treading the road. Yes, man. Going up this hill was kind of a scary one because the road was narrow, and as you can see to my right, it's woodland. You know, we have bears and deers and you name it. Santa Claus, families and friends live up here, so I come like at the North Pole. This, you know, see it. But nevertheless, yeah, if you tried it, not true, as me said. But beautiful house though. Beautiful house on top of the hill. Going down was scary, even worse, scarier because you don't want the truck slide off of the hill. And remember, if the truck starts sliding, you're not going nowhere until you reach. No, hear me? You reach over by the next door neighbor there, you know. And me, if you tell about me truck out of the truck, they're like, nothing youth. If that figure on, well, nah, go down with it. Right, that's a man. So I'm approaching the next house here, straight ahead. It's a long driveway, but this neighborhood is very, very beautiful. As I said before, I'm blessed to say that I have a wonderful neighborhood to deliver at, and everybody know me, I know everyone, so I'm privileged for that. Yeah, I won't give out the information, but yeah, very nice route. So over here, say no, so over them are woodland and people. If you never see bears and deers, you can come right as I see them. Me I tell them, man, some animal me buck up in and I say, John, on pan cartoon and pan movie, me see them a thing here. And when Santa Claus I come through on the North Pole, but gentle people, this is where I'm gonna close out this vlog for now. Y'all stay blessed. It's just a little short clip to show you guys how my route be looking on this snowy day. Y'all